Want to boost your presence and connect better on TikTok? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to engage with content like a true TikTok pro, all in under 2 minutes. To like a video, simply double tap on it or tap the heart icon on the right. Want to leave a comment? Tap the comment bubble. Type your message and hit send. You can reply to any comment by tapping reply under it, and even use video replies if you're a creator. Sharing is just as easy. Tap the arrow icon. Then choose to send via TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, or even copy the link. To mention someone in a comment, type @ symbol followed by their username. To tag someone in a video before posting, tap Tag People on the post screen and select Followers or search by name. If you want to duet someone's video, tap the share arrow, then choose Duet. You can record your reaction side by side with their original video. Similarly, for stitching, choose Stitch from the same menu. It lets you clip and respond to a short segment of someone's video. To save a video to your device, tap the share icon and then Save Video. This only works if downloads are enabled by the creator. Lastly, if a video breaks guidelines or feels harmful, tap Share. Then Report. And follow the steps to let TikTok know. And that's how you engage like a champ on TikTok. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tutor for more bite-sized tech tips. And comment below if you want tutorials on TikTok creation tools next.